Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are from Group One. We'll discuss about our topic, and that is the topic is about school uniforms. We are from the Group One. Agree with the usage of the school uniforms in school. But before we go to our discussion, let's start with our group member first. The first member of group is me, Muhammad Rehan Ramadan, and the second is Danu Wahyu Pratama, and the third is Damar Aji Prasetyo, and the fourth is Dwi Nur Anissa, and the last is Putri Jelita Permatasari Sitinjak. Now we will go to the discussion about why we choose to agree with the usage of school uniforms. A few folks trust that school regalia or school uniform will make such a great preference to their youngster while learning at school. Initially, school garbs can keep understudies concentrate on their training or their study, not their garments or the uniforms. Understudies won't will not concern on garment shading, garment styles, or garment brand. In the event that they wear the same school garbs or school uniforms. Second, school outfits may enhance participation and order. All in all, school outfits take critical of the understudies' neglects. Understudies will be trained and will concentrate more on learning. School regalia or school uniform additionally will demonstrate to them that they are equivalent in learning. On the other hand, to cover all burdens of school regalia, for example, limitation of understudy solace and school garbs additional costs, a few suggestions should be considered. To start with, permit the understudies to wear or utilize a few embellishment the length of the day not break the regulation. Free utilization can free their demeanor, mental self-portrait, and advance their solace in learning. And the second is to utilize two sort of school outfits, just the formal school regalia and scout garbs. It is on the ground that additional school or additional garb will oblige additional case from folks. And then for the argument, I will move it to our other group member. Danu, time is yours.
My group argument is, according to our argument, some of parents believe that wearing the school uniform bring a lot of benefit for the students. One of them is creating the discipline of the student. The student should wear the school uniform based on the day that has been determined. It is teaching about discipline for students. Furthermore, wearing uniform in school can improve the students' confidence. There are no difference between pupils that come from rich family or poor family and keep the student focused on their education, not their clothes style. With the extent of school uniform creates a sense of unity and unity among students, shows difference in education level of facilities monitoring and form neatness. Next.
And then we will move to the conclusion. Putri and Nur, time is yours.
Conclusion: school uniforms are still important for the good of students. Students will be disciplined and will focus for more on the lesson. The school uniforms will also show them that they are equal in learning. However, to cover all the shortcomings of school uniforms, such as restriction on students' freedom of expression, students' comfort, and the additional cost of school uniforms, there are several recommendations that need to be considered.
First, allow students to wear or use some accessories as long as they don't break the rules. The use of accessories can free their expression, self-image, and promote their comfort in learning. Second, use only two types of school uniforms, formal school uniforms and scout uniforms. This is because additional school uniforms or will require extra money from parents.
I think that's all from us. Thank you and have a good day everyone. Bye bye.